and welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So welcome to another vlog. So today is pretty much a spend the day with me. So I'm not really up to much. I'm gonna take this weekend to kind of just chill and relax. I feel like over the last few weekends I've been quite busy doing a bit of the gardening, a bit of this and a bit of that. So today I'm just gonna, or should I say this weekend, I am just going to kind of chill out and do as little as possible. I want to kind of get on top of some of the housework and, you know, just the day-to-day kind of things. But on Sunday I do have a micro needling facial that I've got to go to. That'll be in the next vlog. But ideally what I want to try and do is everything that I need to get done on the Saturday and therefore on the Sunday, after I've had my micro needling, I'm going to kind of see my mum, those kind of things, I can kind of come back and just kind of chill in preparation for the work week, which is crazy that, you know, we're always thinking ahead, but anyway, so that's pretty much what this vlog is going to be about. As I say, just me kind of chilling out, doing bits around the house, and that is pretty much it. So what we're going to do now is, I am pretty hungry. I have been doing very well on my, I suppose, I don't want to call it a health journey, but I have decided that I need to be consistent in my approach. So I am very active. I would say I'm someone who's very active. I wouldn't say I'm athletic or anything like that, but I am very active. So I do a lot of walking. I do try and incorporate weights where I can. I've kind of fallen off that a little bit. I find it so much easier just to do walking. It's the easiest thing for me and I actually enjoy it. So as it stands now, I'm consistent with my walking and I need to incorporate some weights in that. I do have some weights at home, so, and I have a video that I follow, so I need to incorporate that. So I may do that this weekend, but we'll see. Again, I kind of want to take the opportunity to chill, so I don't want to go crazy. But along with all of that as well, I have changed up my eating as well, so I'm trying to be, again, more consistent with that and just have healthy, nutritious, protein meals. So I'm gonna do a little concoction that I found. It's, oh, do you know what I just realized? I've got no I was going to, it's basically salmon, chickpeas, avocado, cucumbers, and then that's kind of much it. I just remembered I don't actually have any chickpeas, so I'm actually going to have to go out and get them. So what I am going to do instead is I'm just going to do some scrambled eggs with cottage cheese, because I have all that in. So because I'm hungry now, I have been intermittent fasting, so I am at my eating window right now, so I don't have the energy nor the inclination to want to go out and try and find chickpeas. So eggs it is right about now. So yeah, I'm gonna make them. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Hope everyone's good. to break my fast. So it is, as you saw, eggs white. I put a little bit of cottage cheese in there as well for extra protein, and then just some sourdough bread. And I picked this up actually recently from Costco, so I've not tried it before, so I'm going to try it today for the, hopefully you can see that. I'll put it a bit closer. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this. Hopefully it's nice. It says sparkling protein water, tropical burst flavor. It says 10 grams of collagen protein, 0 sugar and vitamin C. So hopefully it's nice, and I hope I'm not disappointed. So yeah, I'm gonna wax this down now because yes, I am hungry, and yeah, crack on with the rest of my day. So I finished that food, and I don't know about you, I'm one of them, one of my one of my many quirks that I have. I can't eat and drink at the same time. I have to eat first and then have my drink. I don't know. These are the things that make us special now. Exactly. So I'm gonna now try this. I thought I'd try it with you guys. Let's open it. Let's not mash up the nails. Not mashing up the nails. That'll kill me. Yeah. Anyway, let's have a taste. Smells nice. Smells very much tropical, as it suggests. It's got peach and a passion fruit on the front. Let's have a taste. So it's got a slight fizz, quite light. So that's probably where it says water, protein water. But yeah, it's a nice little fizzy drink if you want something fizzy, but it's not like a Diet Coke, it's not Coca-Cola. But yeah, it's actually quite nice. So yeah, I'm pleased with that purchase, thankfully. Yeah, very nice. I will leave links to these in the description box if I can find them. As I say, I picked it up from Costco, so I don't know if they sell it anywhere else, but places probably like Amazon and things like that, I'll probably find it somewhere online, so I'll leave the details in the description box if you are interested. As I say, I'm trying to get as much protein in as possible, so anywhere in what I'm eating for the day, if I can get that protein in. You know, I need to get my muscles moving. You know, the arms don't look too bad. Obviously, I need to do more. But they're not bad for that. Look at that. I know. Anywho, right, let me crack on with the things that make me have to do today. You know what I'm saying? Hey everyone, so I thought I'd just come on and end this week's vlog. So it was a really quick one, a really short one, and yeah, I feel like as much as sometimes I feel like I don't want to do much on the weekend, I feel like when it comes to doing like a reset and you know all the stuff that we've got to do, it still feels like a lot, and I still have so much to do. But yeah, so this weekend was, yeah, it was a nice one. I got the majority of what I needed doing done. It's late on in the evening now, so yeah, I'm just gonna kind of chill. I'm just turned on the Penguin, which I would say I'm a bit of a Batman fan. I didn't watch some of the newer stuff, but like when was it Michael Keaton was in there, Show Me Age Now, and a few of the other ones, I did enjoy them. So yeah, I'm gonna sit and watch that now and chillax. I managed also to do my 15,000 steps, but one of the things that I find difficult is when I've not been out and about, you know, just like doing stuff, and I've just been in the house, it's remembering to do the steps. So I literally just spent the last hour and something making sure I got to my 15,000 steps. I am tired, but what I will say, and I know people say this all the time when they talk about doing the steps and getting the 10,000 steps in and all the rest of it. However, I have to agree that it has impacted my sleep in the most positive way. There was a few weeks back where I was having difficulties sleeping, which I hadn't had for a while, to be fair. And it's interesting because when you are sleeping well, or you know, not having trouble sleeping, and those nights where you do it, you remind, well, for me it was a reminder of how far I've come, in the sense like my difficulty with sleeping literally was constant. It, you know, it wasn't like, oh, a night here, a night there. It was for months and months where I had issues with my sleep. But fast forward to now, I would say it is definitely improved, and I find as well that with me doing my steps, I fall asleep a lot quicker and a lot deeper. I don't feel like I get up in the night like I used to, all that kind of jazz. So yeah, so if anything you take away from, you know, if you are someone who has trouble sleeping, honestly try doing as many steps as you can. You know, just gradually increase if you're someone who isn't very what's the word, active. And if you are someone who's active, just try and do as much as you can, because I can tell you that it has helped me. And then what else did I want to say? Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. It's been an interesting couple of weeks actually, and I did want to kind of just touch upon some things that have been happening, or things that have happened over the past few weeks. And those of you that have been watching my videos do have some insight, in the sense that, you know, I come on here and I say I am someone who is ambitious and career driven, you know, wants to kind of do their best, wants to live a comfortable life. You know, I'm not someone who wants or feels like they need extravagance. However, there's a certain level of quality of life that I wish to live, and I appreciate that in order to do that, you know, obviously I need a certain income in which to do so. But all that to say really is around kind of just advocating for yourself. So I don't know what that what was the canvas now. Advocating for yourself, and I think black women in particular, obviously I am one, and who works in a corporate environment, I do, and the struggles that can sometimes come with, I think it is so important that if you are in a situation where you feel you are not getting what you deserve, or your people aren't seeing your value, or whatever it is, as I've said in past videos, if necessary, remove yourself from that environment if they can't see it. Sometimes it's not about, you know, forcing people to see. However, on the flip side of that, if you need to advocate for yourself and fight for yourself, then you do that. Because I think, you know, sometimes you're in an environment, and yeah, you have work colleagues, you have work friends and all the rest of it, blah blah. You know, some people say you don't have friends in work, but whatever, that's, you know, that's a you thing. But ultimately it is down to you. Nobody's going to be there to fight for you, even though you think people should be. And to a degree, I think yes, there should be, but the reality of life is that that's not the case. So sometimes you yourself have to do what you need to do and fight for you, because no fucker else is going to do it. So yes, I think, you know, I do like to leave y'all with just one thing to kind of take away from the video. And I think as someone who is creeping up there to the age of 50, I think it's it's taken me a while, you know. I'm not going to sit here and say, you know, I've always known that. I don't think I have. I think as time's gone on, and again, as you grow and as you mature and as things happen and, you know, life experiences, you come to realize these things. And I think for me, I've kind of been under the assumption that I'm a good person, so therefore good things should happen for me or to me. And the reality is that unfortunately you could be, you know, a great person and do all the things you're supposed to do, but that doesn't guarantee you what it is you either want, deserve, or desire. So yeah, one thing to take away: fight for yourself, advocate for yourself, and do what it is you need to do. But don't lose yourself in that, is what I would say. That's the only caveat. Don't lose yourself. Don't. I know what she called Michelle Obama, you know, they go high, they go low, you go high or something. And Cardi B is no, Cardi B is, you know, no, they go low, I go to hell. That's kind of my motto. I can't do the high thing. I can't do the high thing. So I'm with Cardi on it. It's like, I'm not gonna lower my standards in the sense of I'm not going to become them, you know, the backstabbers, the bitching, the lying, the dead. I'm not going to do that, because that's not me. However, if we're gonna go toe to toe, I'll go toe to toe with you. So I'm probably going toe to toe with you. But what I'm not going to do is be the fucking bigger person. Nah, ain't happening. But all that to say, let me not get to getting all wild up in yasso. But yeah, I just wanted to say, yeah, make sure you're advocating for yourself. And yes, that's it for today's, well, should I say this weekend's vlog. Nice little short one. I'm going to get a micro needling facial tomorrow, which I am so excited about. My second one, so I'm going to take you guys with me. I will do my best to record. I've not done that before, but I will see what I can kind of what I can record and stuff. But the lady's great who does it. I will you know, stay tuned for next video, so make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed, and then I will leave the details for this lovely lady who is getting my skin all the way together. The skin's not bad. I think I've got, my skin's pretty decent, but you know, we always strive for better, don't we? So yes. So on that note, I'm going to love you all and leave y'all. Hope you're all doing fantastic out there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. See ya.